Can Bitcoin get to 120k in just 7 days? What? You wanna know the last information about the crypto world, what's going on out there? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo. And you can see that we had a new all-time high with Bitcoin. We are in 107.761 with Bitcoin after these previous highs. And today I just have my line here in case we decide to break it again. We are back to those days where every day is a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And as I'm telling you, maybe in 7 days we have a high as 120k. How is that even possible? Well, remember that I'm not expert, this is not financial advice, but I enjoy using TradingView, as you can see here. And well, my projection is that if you remember this line, this red line that we used some time ago with previous highs and previous lows, well, we are going to find the 120k approximately around 24th December. So just in a week, and so that we have the best Christmas Eve of our lifetime, we might have it at 120. We'll see about that. What do you think? I'm right? I'm wrong? Type a comment below and tell me how wrong I am. But according to Bitcoin Archive, last night was just a warm-up. Big pump is coming. $115,000 is in the cards if we are following this pattern. Remember all the reasons that we told you yesterday about the reserve of Bitcoin in the United States, also about the Fed and the rates being cut, also Michael Saylor buying all the time, etc., etc. You have all that in previous video. You have to watch it. Everybody's watching it because it has huge information. But today we go a step further, and we have this very nice chart comparing the situation we have right now with the situation we had in 2020 and 2016. And if you pay attention to that, you can see that it's possible that we might go parabolic up as in 2016. Once we broke this line here, we went massive up as high as 50%. Also in 2020, the same pattern, and then we went up 96%. So right now, we might have the same situation. That would be, of course, amazing. I went to TradingView. Remember to smash the like button if you like the effort I put on free for you always to do these charts. And well, you can see that if we follow 2016, we might be around 120k December the 23rd, 24th. And if we are following 2020, well, maybe even tomorrow or even today. So we'll see about that. Projection from 2020 goes as high as $157,000 for January the 1st and 130k for January the 1st if we follow 2016. Amazing patterns. Yesterday we were congratulating European people because we broke the high of 100k, but in this case in euros, not dollars. Well, today we celebrate that we have a new all-time high price in gold for Bitcoin. So Peter Schiff, you were wrong, we were right, and you have to deal with that. And today we have this amazing chart from Crypto Rover. Kudos for this guy on doing this. And this is called the Bitcoin High Cycle Profit. So the idea here is, when should we sell our Bitcoin? And he's gonna tell us. So maybe with this, we are going to decide whether we sell it or not. You can go to TradingView, you go to indicators, and there you have the Bitcoin High Cycle Profit. And it's all these things that you can see here that I'm gonna explain further to you. Maybe it's difficult to understand because of all the colors, but just get the idea that you have a halving, and then you have these green lines, and you should be selling in the green lines and not in the red ones. The red ones are for accumulated Bitcoin. The green ones are for selling. So if we go to the chart, we have the halving events, and we have the beginning of starting profiting, so selling, and the end of the profit. And when we start DCA again, we start buying Bitcoin little by little as we go up, and then we sell it in the green vertical lines. You can stop this video like this and just learn, study this chart, and tell me what you think about it. But also, I'm gonna give you my idea about it. Here you have the same thing, but broken in three. So we have here 2017, 16, 17. Here we have 2021, 2021 and 22. And here we have the situation we have right now just behind me. So as you can see from the halving, that first things first is not correct. Always happens when you use an indicator for halvings, it will automatically put it 1 month ahead of the real thing. I use Gemini 2.0, which is so good, so much better than ChatGPT in my one-day experience. I will tell you everything about that in my channel about AI. So just find there Rodrigo Ornedo, Inteligencia Artificial, and then you can use Gemini Advanced 2.0 to find information like this. I tell you how. And yeah, you can see that it's April, May, July, not the lines that we have here. So I wrote new lines, those orange vertical lines. With those in hand, you can see that it's 8 months from there to the point we are right now. Also here and here, we are 8 months in the comparison. What happened in the first cycle? Well, you can see for those months, we were going up like crazy to this point. What happened in this next cycle? We were going up like crazy. And what happened this time? We were going mostly up and crazy. So now we are at this point where we wonder if we are going to keep on going higher for so long as we did in this moment here, or sorry for that, maybe we're going to go just a couple more months, maybe 3 up, then down, then up, and then down again. Remember, after the red line, we go down. After the red line, we go down. So here, after this red line, probably we will go down. That would be a next crypto winter. So what are you gonna do? Are you going to wait all the way? That would mean waiting till this line here. So that would be October 2025. But if you do that, it is possible that you have a situation like here, where in April, March, it started going down. So maybe we should sell in the next 3 months. So at this point here, the decision we have to make right now is we start selling already, we start selling on March a little bit, or we wait all the way to October. The risks of waiting to October is that maybe this time we don't go down, up, and then down. Maybe we go just straight down from this point to this one. So at that, if that's the scenario, the smart thing will be to sell something in March, because any case is going to be at the same point in October. If we follow this second scenario, it's going to be the same profit you make here in next March that you make the next October. But if this is not the case, and we are following this first cycle, well, you will be losing a lot, because you will miss all this crazy high with the best and biggest rewards. So yeah, probably what I'm gonna do, you're asking me, well, probably I will sell something on March, just in case. And it's okay, it would be, I don't know, 25%, something like that. And then I'll wait. I can spend another crypto winter if I have to, if I miss that point. And if I see that I keep on going higher, like this, I will say a little bit more in October. Or in any case here, if we keep on going higher, I will be selling higher and higher as we get to the next October, till we get to this point. That will be my thing. What about you? Tell me in your comments below. We have to do this in future videos also for altcoins. and also for Ethereum, especially. And tell me your advice. What are you gonna do? Tell me in the comments below, because we learn together, of course. Remember to keep on learning with AI. And thank you, Crypto Robert, for this chart. It was amazing. The market still greedy today, 86, and we did with Bitcoin like this. For a long time, close to 100K, but then we started going higher. That is good. This girl so mad at her job, and she says, okay, Bitcoin is in 107, goodbye for good, and she just left. Don't do that, just in case, or any case, be gentle. Bitcoin now is on the main page of Bloomberg. So we are good. Yes, we're famous now. Also, what about those shorts that we told you we had in 105 and 6? Those are being liquidated. The Bitcoin case now for 140K as price discovery returns ahead of Christmas is fueled by so many good pieces of information that we tell you every day. Like, for example, tomorrow we have the Fed decision. And you can see that we are going up when in the last 2 times we were going down first, and then after the decision we were going up. But right now we are going up. So that means that we are going to do the opposite thing. So on Wednesday we are going to go down, Wednesday and Thursday. Or this means that we are stronger than the last 2 occasions, and we are going to go even higher. We'll see about that. The stock market going down today in Asia, Japan and China. Gold going down. Stock market did okay yesterday in United States, but Bitcoin goes crazy high as Michael Saylor and people like them keep on buying. He did it. He acquired 15,350 Bitcoin for 1.5 billion at 100.386. So that means that they have now 439,000 Bitcoin acquired at 27 billion at an average price of 61,725. Amazing. Michael Saylor now owning more than China and the United States combined. Public company Snare Scientific bought another 211 Bitcoin worth $21.5 million. And Bitcoin wallet developer Exodus to go public on the New York Stock Exchange this Wednesday with a reserve of close to 2,000 Bitcoin. Remember, you can use Exodus with your Trezor, and you can use it also with your Ledger Nano S or X. We have a discount Christmas present, $40 and $30 with them if you bought them with the link in the description below. Riot Platforms bought another $69.4 million after buying $510 million on Friday. They want more and more. And we have the SoftBank CEO, Masa Son, reportedly visiting the US to announce $100 billion investment with President Donald Trump for investing in AI. So good news. And also it's good that in Germany, people on the parliament, they are mad at the government. They are saying why everybody now is into Bitcoin and we are not. We are the worst because we sold the Bitcoin that went then crazy up. Good that some politicians start calling out others that are not into Bitcoin. And remember also that things can go wrong. Remember, we had this gap in the CME future, but on the other side of the coin, the CME Bitcoin price went all the way to 108,450. So that means that Bitcoin still has room for growing to this point. All-time high in the futures. And we are close to an all-time high with Ethereum. We are happy that we broke this high here. So that's a very good thing. Also remember our lines. We are respecting them. But if we zoom out, we still are like 19% from the top. that's $769, which in crypto is nothing. Maybe soon enough, today even, we might have an all-time high in Ethereum. That can be the case, as Crypto is telling us that we have this cap and handle pattern that would bring Ethereum to 6,000, and we love that, and we love watching the bubbles coming into the green. XRP, for example, XLM, and those are going up because Ripple is going to launch the stablecoin on December the 17th. That's today. So FOMOing everybody with XRP. And you can know everything about that and so many other crypto tokens with dextools.io, the hot pairs out there. And you can learn, for example, that we have a coin called Fartcoin that is the biggest meme coin in AI. You can go to CoinGecko and see the ranking of those meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe. But then we have Popcat, Dog Go to the Moon, and then that fart coin, which is crazy. This world of crypto is crazy. You can only track all that with coin tracking, of course, and do your crypto taxes with it. And I want to tell you about this because my friend Jesús Lorente has this channel, CLCripto, and he is giving away for Christmas related with Christmas draw on the 22nd. You can earn some prizes. One of Fun on the Rides caps. Max, you can see that we are giving that away through Jesús. So thank you very much for the publicity he's giving us there. And also we want to give back, but he's the one that is gonna give. So if you want to ask him questions about crypto and you wanna buy one of these 30 minutes calls, well, he's going to give away one of them. You can choose one of those or maybe becoming for 1 year a tripulante, which gives you a lot of advantages in his platform, like discounts, and well, you are treated like a VIP in his company. So thank you very much. And how to participate, you have to leave a comment below Jesús Lorente's video, not this one, not mine, but this one that I'm gonna leave in the description below. And you just throw there a number. If you are the closest to the number we have on Christmas 22nd, to the big one, the big prize, then you will be the winner. It's okay if it's higher or lower, use the closest one. And now that we talk about cryptos and we talk about tax, remember that there's places like Dubai, for example, wink, wink, where you have zero taxes if you do crypto activity. Very interesting to see government there just trying to support crypto, and not in Spain. So maybe you are considering moving there. Well, if you do that, you should, in my opinion, use historiaiberico.com because they are giving away 500 euros if you want to create your own company there, and also your visa would be free forever, and that means that you will be saving $2,000 every 2 years. So 2,500, that's the proposal for this month from Historia Iberico. So decide, use the link in the description below if you want to use this discount. Just you can schedule a meeting with them and ask them questions, and then decide if that's for you or not. Decide if you want to be poor with all these clothes that are really expensive, or maybe you get all that money with things that doesn't matter whatsoever and buy the dip of Bitcoin and become a millionaire in the future. And today we say goodbye with a picture. Oh, espera que tengo detrás. And today we say goodbye with a picture of this woman with her cat. That's love. Love is all you need. Remember to keep on learning about AI with our other channel. And if you want more about crypto, of course, here with Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias, Bitcoin, Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!